friends, welcome back to Art for Life channel. So, this is our second video. Welcome guys. Thank you for all the support you have given for the first video, and you gave a lot of suggestions. We are working on it. And one more thing I just want to mention is since this is the first time we are having a voice here, it's a channel for everybody, guys. It's not only for kids; it's for all the beginners. It's for everyone to learn arts, and our objective is just to inspire you guys. That's it. So we'll be doing some very simple arts and maybe some small crafts. Um, so as you see, so topic for today is a tree. We'll try to draw a tree with crayons. So guys who are new to the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. So let's get into today's work. Let's see what we need. We need some crayons, eraser, and pencil, probably HB pencil. And before we begin, we need to learn something about composition. So we won't be telling you guys in detail in our next videos. So what we need to know is where to position our main subject. So here I am representing the rectangle for our paper, wall, or canvas, or anything we try to draw, and with the red lines we are showing our main subject. It can be positioned anywhere middle side or anywhere shown by 1 2 3 positions. So for example, let's we have selected the position 2. Now I am drawing a skeleton with red using symbol shapes. So this very important because it helps you select the correct dimension, utilize the correct space, etc. So it helps you with the real utilization of space in the canvas or paper. So just shown the example here. Let's get to our main topic. So here I am trying to do the composition step. So here I am pushing the canvas or paper in vertical mode. I have drawn the skeleton of the composition with the symbol lines and circles, and now I'm trying to draw the outline of the tree. So guys, I'm drawing a little bit dark here. I'm using a 5B pencil. Don't use that. Use only an HB pencil as far as possible. Draw with very thin lines, I would say with the feather touch, only you can see, so that we can remove it later. And now I'm giving the outline for the tree leaves, and as you can see, next step is to erase all the composition lines. And I'm showing here, I'm darkening the outer outline of the tree, just so that it's very clearly visible to our viewers, especially to our young buddies who really want to know where I'm giving the colors, etc. So see, our bird is here impatient. Okay guys, let's suggest some names for the bird and the boy. Okay, use this format and type in your suggestions through the comment section below, and we'll announce the selected names in the next video. Okay, give some bird is very naughty, give some cute and short names. Okay, so let's get to work. So next step is to understand where the light falls in our main subject. So here I'm selecting some angle from top. So this lines represented the light, and I'm giving where the sunlight falls. Gives very light color, guys. Give some. So here I'm giving lemon yellow here, one, or you can give a light yellow color here. So, and next step is to give the medium colors or mid-tone colors, which will be filling on most of the regions here. So other main thing is don't draw with straight lines or like horizontal or vertical lines. Don't fill out the whole area. Try to blend in with the first color we gave, so it gives a real good view, and real gives a good blending of the color, which makes it more beautiful. And next step, I am using dark green also here. with the same steps. A little more darker areas I'm giving dark green. So give some swirling motion, give some small circles. Don't draw with lines, okay? So other main thing is have to draw from top to bottom. So don't start with the roots then draw leaves, or don't go here and there. Just start from top and go down, because as a lot of our ring fronts are listening, they may be touching the colors below if they have done it first. So try to draw from top to bottom. So that's best practice. Now I'm trying to give some little dark blue here for the darker regions. I thought the blue will be more darker. Seems to be a little light here. So now I'm trying to give more details. Details like leaves. I'm giving some small dots. Use some small dots or small lines. Don't draw big lines or big circles. So you know the tree is big and we are seeing from a distance. And as you see, since I have drawn with dark lines, I am struggling to hide those pencil lines here. So if you guys drawn very thin, it will be easy for you. So give some texture using light green here, and once light green is done, you can use the dark green to give some texture on the light green region. Basically the idea is use the next darker colors to give more details. So we are trying to make it more realistic as possible. Okay, we are trying to put small dots and create the texture for leaves. Now I am using black color to represent the most darkest region of the leaves or the tree canopy, so where the light won't fall. So here I am using the same technique, using small dots or small lines on the darker area, especially close to the branch, underside of the leaves. So try the small stuff of your time. Guys, do it slowly, okay? This is a video. I am doing it faster. The video is also fast. If you need, pause the video, finish each step and go to the next step. So here you can see I'm struggling to hide the pencil lines here. So if you have drawn with light, you could have avoid this. And next we are moving down to the tree trunk or the wood region. Here also we follow the same technique, using a light color, light yellow on the highlight region or where the sunlight falls first. Then I'm using light brown. Maybe I will be adding little details which I missed while drawing the outline. So I drawn a tree burrow or some sharp or this roughness in the tree, and then I drawn a dead branch or branch going out. Just we can do this during the outline too. So just to show you guys, it can be done later too. So I'm right now filling out with the light brown shades. So here you can see I'm drawing with the straight lines somewhat, not like we drawn the leaves with swiveling around motion. So straight lines will give you better effects for the tree. And I'm trying to give little details like the tree trunk is not so smooth, guys. So I'm giving next details with dark brown. So don't restrict yourself. That's one main thing. Tree trunk can be any colors. So you see, it can be gray, it can be white, it can be some green shades in tropical forest, and you can even draw rainbow colors too. I guess there are some type of eucalyptus trees in some countries where the tree trunk or wood comes up with the rainbow colors. Guys, search and find out, okay? And now I'm using the black color to give the finer details, especially the darker regions. I am filling out especially close to the leaves, so you can see. Now I'm giving tree bark and little projections in the tree to make it look very rough. So I'm giving very small details. So try not to fill the regions with black. Use it only on the real dark regions wherever is required. Okay, so here basically I'm giving a little darker shade. Guys, observe, that is the main thing for any form of art. So look out of your window, observe the trees, draw, find out how different tree finishing stages of giving details to the wood. So I'm just showing you a little close-up how I given some roughness to the tree wood and how we have drawn the leaves. So hope you understood. Now let's move on to the let's make it more beautiful, guys. That's what we are going to do now. I'm going to give some landscape. I've drawn with light yellow. Same way, blend in with light green. So don't give too much details to your background. So don't take away the importance of your main subject. So I'm not giving too much details to the grass. Drawing with light green, some small lines. Don't draw all the lines the same. And then filling out with dark green little details here and there. And then with the black only on bottom of the grass, little bit here there. So don't overdo this step, and don't fill out the whole region and take the importance away from the tree. Next step is what we like more, the clouds. Take out the light blue and use the same swirling round motion which we did for the leaves. Okay, so don't fill out the whole region with the blue. Leave out some white space and a little bit dark blue. Draw some clouds lightly, don't give too much details. I'm just giving one bush also here. It's at a distance actually, so not giving too much detail. Bit of using black, small branches and little leaves. And finally the best part, make like the birds. So easy to draw with the black Y or V shapes. So guys, our painting is ready. Guess all of you liked it. So hope you would have this. So as you can see closely, this is in a simple way we have tree. Hope everyone like it. Or practice again. So use the comment section to send your suggestions, and like the video, share to your maximum friends, and also click the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications as soon as we upload the new videos, and subscribe the channel. So thank you and see you again. Bye.